Today in the studio we have the AirPods Max in the green color. I've owned a pair for over 2 years. They're one of the best sounding over-the-ear headphones that I've ever owned and I've listened to. They have Dolby Atmos support, they have state-of-the-art noise canceling, and the build quality is amazing. But at $550, you're getting a case that doesn't even protect your AirPods Max. So let's check in after 2 years. Are the AirPods Max still worth it? I've tried the space gray color, I've tried the silver, but now we're gonna unbox the green color together. As you know, for Apple products, you don't need scissors because they always have pull tabs for you to do an easy unboxing. For all you ASMR listeners, you're gonna like this. Who doesn't like the smell of new AirPods Max? There you have it. You have like a army green looking color for the case. It's growing on me. I didn't like it at first, but it's growing on me. Especially after owning the silver, which it has a white case and that's not gonna stay clean. In the box here, you have your usual warranty paper. Last but not least, a USB-C cable. And by the way, you're paying $550 and there's no power adapter in the box. If you don't have a power supply, you're gonna have to spend another good $20. Wow, do they overplay the green on the website? Because in person, it looks like a very natural green. It doesn't call too much attention to the eye. It looks decent. The headband is not entirely white. It has a little bit of green tint. I've got to say, I really like this color. The cups have a darker shade of green, which I like because if you get them dirty, they won't show as much. And here's the inside cup. Woo, these look clean. How do they look? Now it's been 2 years. Let me tell you the good and bad things about the AirPods Max. To start off, the build quality is unmatched. It's made out of metal, has mesh that you think would be pretty vulnerable to any damages, but it holds up pretty well on my other pair. Everything feels sturdy. Even when you move like metal pieces together, you don't see anything screeching or rattling. Everything is intact. Build quality is one of the best features on this headphone. The sound quality is amazing. You have this big driver here. On each side, you have the H1 chip. You have Dolby Atmos, spatial audio. When you're watching TV shows or movies, you feel like you have a speaker in front of you, in the sides, and in the back. Spatial audio is amazing. Also, you have the convenience of connecting your AirPods Max to all of your Apple devices when it comes to iPhones, iPads, Macs, Apple TVs. It's so convenient. You can even connect them automatically if you set them to. The noise canceling as well. I've taken the AirPods Max on flights and the noise canceling works like a charm. And it also has one of the best transparency modes in my opinion. Sometimes you don't even feel like you have them on. The AirPods Max is also gonna have several microphones, so even if you're in a crowded environment, the other person on the line can hear you clearly. And finally, I don't charge my AirPods Max as often because they have a very good battery life. If you have noise canceling and spatial audio enabled, you can have up to 20 hours of listening time. That's great. Now, let's talk about the bad things about the AirPods Max. You already know what I'm starting with. It's gonna be this smart case. It's flimsy. It opens up very easily with this loose magnetic closing mechanism. It just doesn't protect your AirPods Max at all. It doesn't protect the headband. Also the delicate pieces here in the bottom where you have this antenna. Did I mention there's no power button? If you do want to save some room in your backpack, I really wish they would have made a folding mechanism for these so you could be able to store them and not take up as much room when you're traveling. Because when you're traveling, the only way to store them is putting them like this in your backpack. Next thing on the list is I'm happy that these support Dolby Atmos, but the volume is sacrificed so much. It has really good sound quality, but it's not as loud. And last but not least, these headphones have been in the market for over 2 years now. And if you're trying to shop these online, you can find good deals like on Best Buy, on Amazon. Buy these from Apple, you're still gonna be paying the full initial release price of $550, and that's ridiculous in my opinion. Make sure you check online for better deals on these. And there you have it, guys. These headphones look and feel and sound amazing, but they're still the same price. Apple still has a lot of things they could improve for the next model. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of the AirPods Pro Max? Did you ever buy them? Do you like them? Do you hate them? You could catch more tech videos on my channel. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.